There are times in life when worry feels too heavy to carry. Your heart beats fast, your thoughts run wild, and the world around you feels shaky. Anxiety isn't just nervousness, it's like a quiet storm that blocks clear thinking, holds you back, and steals the joy of the present. But here's the good news: anxiety is not who you are. It's something you can face and learn to manage. Whether you struggle with constant worrying, sudden panic, or fear of the unknown, this guide will give you clear and simple tools to find peace, confidence, and strength again. Here are 5 powerful steps to help you calm anxiety and take back control of your life. Not only to quiet the storm, but to learn how to be calm in the middle of it. Before we begin, a simple favor we ask you is to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin. Step 1. Stay in the present moment. Anxiety usually comes when we live too much in the future, imagining mistakes, fearing problems, and thinking about everything that could go wrong. But life doesn't happen in the future. It happens right now. The next time you feel anxious, pause and bring yourself back to the moment. Notice your thoughts without judging them. Say to yourself, "This is just anxiety. It will pass. I can handle this." Write down what triggers your anxiety, because awareness is your first tool. Remember, the future is only a shadow. The present is solid ground. Focus on what you can do today, and peace will follow. Step 2. Change the way you think. The philosopher Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Anxiety grows when we believe the stories in our head. What if I fail? What if they leave me? What if I'm not enough? But these are thoughts, not facts. Your mind sometimes makes the danger seem bigger than it really is. To fight anxiety, you must take control of your inner voice. When a negative thought comes, ask yourself, is this true, or is this just fear? Then replace it with something stronger. Even if things go wrong, I will adjust. I have survived before, and I will survive again. What you repeat to yourself shapes the life you live. Step 3. Face discomfort instead of running from it. Don't try to avoid everything that scares you. Epictetus said, "If you wish to be free, want things to happen as they do, not as you wish." Modern life teaches us to escape discomfort, but avoiding it only makes anxiety stronger. Face your fears little by little. If crowds make you anxious, start with a small cafe. If fear of failure stops you, try something small where you might fail safely. Each time you step forward, you build courage like a muscle. Growth always waits just outside your comfort zone. The more you face fear, the weaker it becomes. Step 4. Build strength with daily habits. You don't beat anxiety by running from life. You beat it by teaching yourself you can handle life. Anxiety grows in disorder, but structure brings calm. Build small daily routines to ground yourself. Morning reflections, writing down gratitude, or journaling your thoughts. Move your body each day, go for a walk, stretch, or do breathing exercises. These simple habits calm your nerves and remind your mind that you are safe, steady, and in control. Step 5. Let go of what you cannot control. At the heart of Stoic wisdom is one simple truth. You are only responsible for your actions, not the results. Much of our anxiety comes from trying to control people, outcomes, or the future itself. Peace begins when you stop fighting against reality. Let go of control. Accept that life is uncertain. Trust yourself to handle whatever comes. Freedom is found in surrender. The moment you stop needing to control everything, anxiety loses its grip and calm takes its place. You were not meant to live in constant fear. You were meant to rise above it.